This is not an ordinary soup. It is made from Fritillary bulbs and pear. In traditional Chinese medicine, they are often used for conditions such as coughs, bronchitis, and other respiratory issues. Pears are often used to alleviate coughs and throat irritation. Fritillary bulbs are typically processed before use in traditional medicine. This may involve steaming or other methods to enhance their therapeutic effects. Place them in a pot, add some water, steam or cook gently in a low heat until the pears are soft. Traditional recipe might add some rock sugar, but I prefer raw honey for sweetness.